Today we have a 2008 Toyota Tacoma 4-cylinder. We are going to change the spark plug. If you don't know how many cylinder is that, so you can look on the hood. That's the whole information is here. That's a 2.7 4-cylinder. Okay, so we are ready, good to go. These are the stuff we have. We need, so stay with me. Let's start. Okay, so we need a 10 mm socket, so we have to unscrew this one. That's done. We have a couple screws here. That screw is here. We already unscrew this. So it's time to take off. So that's the stuff, we just take off. And here you can see there is a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to check because I have a problem. The truck is not getting started. So let me see if there's anything is wrong with the spark plug. So we have to use a 10 mm to use 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And then we will open the spark plug. Okay, these are the 4 screws. We just take off, and now we have to take off these coils. Okay, we just unplug this stuff, and these are ready. So we will see if there's anything is wrong with these 4. 4. So these are the 4 ones. So I'll check. So you need a 5/8 socket. You can look on this, the number. Yes, 5/8. To unscrew, and I have this rail, a long one, that is going inside. Just do all the way, all 4. There you go. And now I'm going to use the long plier, this one, to pull them out because there you go. So here is our one came in out. You can see. Oh my gosh! Look at this. They're very bad. So let me pull out the flames. So here we pulled all 4. This looks like a bag. So we bring the new spark plug. That's the original. And it's time to install. So here are the 4 new spark plugs. And here is the 4th one. It's gone. the hand tight, and that will be good to go. There you go. So there should be a special tool for this, so I don't have that one. So I'm just doing a little bit. Don't try to tighten it really tight, otherwise that will be break in the engine, and that will be a big problem. There you go. So they are all four good to go. And these are the four additions we have. That is going inside. It is the fourth one. And here all these four have the screws. Plug the wire, you will see the click. So these are good. Now it's time to put this air filter back on. And one is on this side. And these are all good to go, and there is a couple pipes. Plug it back. There is the wire we did take off. That is there. It is one pipe. I have to figure out where this came from. This is there actually. There. There you go. So I think, and here is one. There you go. I think it's all done. It's ready to go. That's easy to install the spark plug on a Toyota Tacoma 4-cylinder 2008. Actually 2004 to 2015 is almost like the same way. It's easy. I just paid like a $40 for the spark plug, and everything is good to go.